Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be decorating for Christmas. The holiday season is my absolute favorite. I just love the joy that it brings and decorating just makes it a whole lot better. Previous years I usually start in the kitchen and that is where I plan on starting today as well. Mostly everything that I will be decorating with is things that I've had for years now. I don't usually change up the decor all that much. I may pick up one or two items here and there, but mostly I use the same stuff because I can't afford to go and buy brand new decorations every year. That's why I pick them up if I see them at the thrift store throughout the year. But other than that, I'm just fine with using what I already have. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so grab yourself a warm beverage, listen to some Christmas music, and let's decorate together. I'm starting off by cleaning the countertop and giving it a good wipe down. This area always seems to get messy because we've just put our packages and other random things. So we will see how long this can stay clean. So I found this tray at the thrift store and it was only $4. I didn't really know what I was going to do with it then, but I figured I'd still pick it up. This is the perfect thing to display some Christmas decor. You'll see that I ended up switching the reindeer out for a Christmas house instead, which I like better. To add a little Christmas touch to our coffee bar, since it is small, I added a gingerbread boy and girl. This snowman, I remember since I was a child. My mom used to put it out every year for Christmas, and I'm so glad I'm able to share this little piece of my childhood with my family. Now, moving on to our entryway, another very small area of our home. I didn't want to make this area overcrowded because it makes me overwhelmed, so I'm going to keep this area minimal.
One day we have our ups place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
This floor lamp was beside our couch, but I ended up moving it over here since our Christmas tree is going in that area. And I actually like it over here, so I'm going to add a few pieces to make it festive. I bought this felt Christmas tree for the kids last year that you could put on the wall. Jack is a little too old for it this year, but Dallas loves it. It's his own little tree that he can rearrange and put the ornaments wherever he wants, and I cannot wait to watch him enjoy it.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim.
I hope you enjoyed decorating with me. I still have a lot more to go, but I have other holiday videos planned. So I would love if you join my channel by hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you next time.